Welcome to number 3 of 4 in the third area. You're going to get our third trophy. And in the top right hand corner we can see what we're aiming for. You'll notice that there is what looks like a police car in here. So when we rescue the baby dinos, I'm going to go and restart with some fresh code. We are obviously going to go and add a different projectile this time, and hopefully we've got lives. So there's some danger, and we've got some hearts in the corner. So we've got our code from before. You'll notice that my confetti and my splatter will have disappeared, but that's fine. I'm just going to show you something really quick here. At the bottom you can zoom out, so we can see if we just zoom out slightly we will end up with more space. So this page can now use longer pieces of code in here, and so let's go and have a look to see what we're going to add next. We want an enemy. Okay, so grab a forever. Let's go into our loops and grab a forever and drop that in here. If I just zoom in here so we can see what's happening in this one. So I'm going to go into forever here, and it says a loop, and drop it into an empty space. From sprite, grab set projectile to velocity x, and so we want this second projectile, projectile number 2. So baby dino or dino is projectile number 1. This one's going to be projectile number 2. So let's go and grab something from my assets. I'd imagine we should have a car here, and good, we're going to go and get that one. And so remember 50-50, we'll probably send it shooting across the screen as before, and it's sort of dead at 50 here. Okay, let's go next to see what it is. Yeah, we don't have a car in there. Good. So from my assets this time we want to change the blue car into velocity x to minus 90, which we did before, and this one to 0, which is the same as the dinosaurs. So the baby dinos. So it should do that and bring it shooting across the top. We want to go, and we probably don't want as many baby dinos this time. So maybe they only come out every 2 seconds. So if you went up a level, the dinos would come out faster maybe, or maybe the police cars will come out even faster. So let's go into the next bit here. We know that this is going to work, and so just like we did with the making baby dinos, I just said this, we'll grab a set my sprite to x x0 and snap it below, and this time we'll change it to y like we did before, and then it should change it here, and it is on there. So this is my projectile 2, because this is what we're controlling. You can see that Dino went up there, and then we want to pick random spots, so random places. So we pop into into math, which is pick random, and drop that into there, and we want to change it from 15 to 115. Because we'll see it on the other one above us as well. Whoa! So then we want to change the time then, don't we? We have a timer underneath. So I think it's loops, and I think this time the pause, I'm going ahead of myself here, but I think the pause is probably less, maybe 2 seconds. Is it less 2 seconds? It could be. I'm trying to remember. So there's the first one. Yes, it is about 2 seconds. Let's go and see what we've got, because we don't have our pause underneath. So check the code. Yes, it's fine. This replaced 1 into 2.1. So 2.1 seconds is there. 2,100 is 2.1. Okay, let's check that out. Yes. How is it working? Well, it looks okay. It looks like it's working pretty good. I think we're at 4 minutes, so we're going to come back. We're on 0.7 here. We're going to come back, and we're going to go and add some extra bits and pieces to the end of this section. So I'll see you in the next clip.